Hello students, I welcome you all once again to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to read and learn another lesson from your English textbook Marigold, Unit 1. Last time we did a poem, Wake Up. So today we are going to learn a prose. The title of the lesson is Neha's Alarm Clock. Now let's read it. Narrator. Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up, she mutters to herself. Neha. This alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Narrator. Something false. Neha smiles. Neha. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Narrator. Next morning there is no alarm, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirpy birds which come to the window sill every morning finds Neha still sleeping. Birds. Wake up there, wake up fast. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. Neha. Oh no, if it's not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. The next morning, there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess who it is? The big bright sun. He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Neha. Oh my eyes. Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning the sun is behind the clouds, so Neha snores till he hears her mother's voice. Mother. Wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Neha. Oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Narrator. There is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. Neha. Ma, who woke me up today? Narrator. Mother smiles. Mother. Who else? You, of course. Neha. But I was sleeping. How could I? Mother. Now tell me why you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon. Neha. I feel hungry. Mother. Why do you sleep at night every night? Neha. Because I feel sleepy. Mother. There is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, and when to wake up. Neha. Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Mother. Relax, today is Sunday. Neha. Oh. So this lesson has been adapted from Neha's Alarm Clock by Girija, Rani, Asthana. Let's check out these new words. Snuggles, mutters, windowsill, relax. Snuggles, mutters, windowsill, relax. Now let's check out the exercises. Reading is fun. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? Yeah, you have been given 3 options. Option A, 4 o'clock. B, 9 o'clock. C, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock is the correct answer. Number 2. What did the bird say? Sleep on, wake up, go and play. Number C, go and play. 3. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Our body clock, our eyes, our feet. Here, option A, our body clock, is the correct answer. Now let's check this. Exercise number 4. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. See, the first one, smile. And next, alarm, A-L-A-R-M, alarmed. Next, clock, C-L-O-C-K, clock. And let's move to the right side. Morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Next, we have snored, S-N-O-R-E-D, snored. Next, we have woodwind. It can be converted into window, window. Next we have let's listen and talk. Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. List them here. You have to use your imagination since you cannot go out during this lockdown. So you have to use your imagination when you used to go to school. This exercise you have to try it yourself. Sounds you heard. Here these pictures on the side will help you. Number 2, if there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep, or would you wake up on your own? Or would you just rely on somebody like your mother or your sister or brother to wake you up in the morning? You have to give your answers. Number 3, what are the different ways of knowing the time during the day? So there are different ways of knowing the time during the day. So we can always check the time at our wristwatch, wall clock. Nowadays we often check our time at mobile phone also. Smartphones have time. And we can even check our time by watching certain programs on televisions or listening to radio. And most importantly, sunlight can tell us something about the time. Don't know the exact hours, minutes or seconds, but we can have some idea about time from the sunlight. Now let's move on to next exercise. Wood building. Find the hidden woods. Mother birds, clock, alarmed, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, Sunday. The first one, the word mother has been done. You have to try this on your own. It's fun. Next we have say aloud. Ode, boat, coat, matter, chatter, satter. Next, tick-tock, tell-tale, train time, tic-tac, tip-tin, tack-tall. Let's read it out again. Ode, boat, coat, matter, chatter, satter, tick-tock, tell-tale, train time, tic-tac, tip-tin, tack-tall. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Let's write. You can use your pencil to write the answers in the blank, or you can just use your notebooks to do this exercise. Who said these words and to whom? Wake up, dear, wake up fast. This line has been said by the bird to Neha. So who said bird? To whom? Neha. Next, Ma, who woke me up today? Who said? Neha. To whom? Mother. Why do you sleep at night every night? Who said? Mother. To whom? Neha. Next exercise. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. In the help box, you will find two words, was and where. Number A. Ram was a good football player. The cows were grazing in the field. C. My toys were broken. Her frock was too long. The market was closed. The children were happy. The flowers were kept in a basket. You see here, the subjects in plural form will be followed by the verb were, whereas the single subjects like Ram, her frog, the market are followed by the verb was. So was is used in singular form and where is used in the plural. Let's move on to the next exercise. Number 3. Look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words: pull out, inside, call out, behind, under. Now let's do this exercise. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I look behind a door. Behind. Next. I look inside a cupboard. I look inside a cupboard. Next. I look under a bed. I look under a bed. Next. I could not find it anywhere. Then I call out. Then I called out, Saru. Saru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out. He pulled out another book from my bag. Fun time. Here is a word, clock. Write down words relating to clock. So you will find many boxes surrounding the word clock, and there is a picture also, a rough picture of clock. See, in that box, sound, you can write tick tick. That's the sound of the clock. Tick tick. Another word for clock is watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. Picture, you can draw any picture, and you can draw the picture of the wall clock you have in your house. Make a sentence. We can make a very simple sentence here. For example, my alarm clock rings loudly. Or you can write, I wake up when my alarm clock rings. Name different parts or times. So we can write here the different parts of the clock, like dial, D-I-A-L, dial. Next, seconds, needle. Minutes, needle. Hours, needle. Keys and alarms. Word in your language. Say in Hindi, clock is called Ghari. So you can write Ghari. And if you are using English letters to write Ghari, you should put that words within inverted commas. Here is also another exercise just like the clock. Here is a word, morning. Now write down words related to it. Morning, you can write on top of it the box available. At the top, you can write chirping sounds of the birds. You just follow the patterns. Here we have to make a sentence, sound, another words, picture, words in your language, name different parts, just like that. You can try this exercise. You can write the sentence. For example, I wake up early in the morning. And words in language, in Manipuri, we call it ayuk. You can write it within inverted comma. And you can draw beautiful pictures of a sunrise and things related to morning. We can write breakfast, morning walk. On the box on the left, see. Try this, it's fun.